Today we're installing this steering wheel with a hub and the E36 right there. And here's the S14. Been driving great. Has a little bit of an oil leak, which I noticed in the garage. I can't really see it. Anyways, I'll have to figure that out, but it's nothing too bad, nothing too bad to be worried about. Let's get to this. Yeah. So there's gonna be 2 torque spits behind the steering wheel to get the airbag out, and then one big one in the middle. But first things first. Frozen shut. Gotta disconnect the battery first, so we're gonna try and find that. I still have so much stuff in here. Ah, there it is. Oh, nice. The battery holders aren't holding it. I know, it's messy back here. All right, let's get that off. All right, I'm gonna use this to try and see what screw is in there. Oh, come on, focus. Come on, is that a flat hat? What in the... What the heck? Well, that was way harder than it should have been. Getting to these was super hard for some reason, but I got them. Now we just got big bolt in the middle. Should just... We also probably got to unplug something behind there, as you can see, for the clock spring. That's what I think this is, but I don't know. We're gonna find that bolt size and get it off. Of course, I need an extension for the ratchet because it was too... steering was too concave, so I grabbed the first one I saw. Oh yeah. Or it's gonna come off now. Bolts off. Apparently these are really easy to just pull off. Nope, apparently not. Let's see. I'm gonna throw this back on there a couple threads so I don't hit myself in the face when pulling this off. Oh, there it goes. That was really easy. Better safe than sorry. All right, it's connected by this plug right here. We'll unplug that. I will say this is the easiest steering wheel I've ever done. Like, that little plug was so easy to take on and off. I guess I only took it off, but still. Let's set that there. Let's grab the hub. This is gonna be fun, because it doesn't want to just slide on like the last one did. Oh yay. Okay, I'm gonna test it like this to make sure the wheel's straight. So it's not actually gonna be like this. These are just the 2 I put in real quick. Let's go. Let's put the battery back on. Ooh. Let's tighten that. Oh my gosh, did you just see that? Jeez. That scared the crap out of me. I am so lucky I didn't get shocked. I don't even know. I think the ratchet just touched this, which is weird because that shouldn't have any power to it because it's just a metal rod holding it on, unless it touched... Oh, that's what it was. It touched this one and that was laying on the positive. Jeez, careful. Just gonna do a little test drive to make sure the wheel is straight. That's it. Because you don't want to drive with just 2 bolts on it like this. I'm not gonna literally just driving down to the end of my street and driving back to the driveway. So far seems pretty straight to me. I say that is good. I really like this steering wheel. I know it. Yeah, that's good. So pull back in and get this buttoned up. All right, I gotta tighten the hub nut all the way on to sink the hub all the way down. And then we gotta put all the Allen bolts on. And the horn button. Can't forget the horn button. This is what happens when you buy eBay stuff. Isn't always the best. I still have that much more to go to get this all the way seated on. And man, this sucks. Pretty much there. Probably just make sure it's just tight on there. Oh, this is left on there. And we'll throw the horn button, all the Allen bolts in. Well, there you go. It's all on there. I ended up putting the horn in the hub itself because this little bracket thing it came with, it wouldn't fit in here. I ended up breaking it. I mean, I got all this stuff at eBay. I know none of it's real. That's okay. It's a piece of crap drift car. If it breaks, it breaks. But yeah, I actually stuck the horn in the hub itself and then just bolted the steering wheel around the horn. Looks pretty good. It's not a deep steering wheel at all. I even still have cruise control. That's sick. But I actually might get a quick release, so it pushes it a little closer to me. We'll see. Because I'm actually pretty far back. I'd like to be probably a little closer. So, but yeah, there you go. Outside view of it. Now I just gotta get my wheels, weld the diff, get a seat. We're pretty much good to go for the drift season. Thanks for watching.